Well, if it isn't the dipshit who dared to enter my room, well, please leave my room!
Do you feel different in any way?
Fuck off!
X-ray vision maybe? Super smell?
That's it, you bloody cunt! You asked for it!
You sure you're not feeling super somehow?
Well, I've got this shitty taste in my mouth.
Oh my no! How are you feeling today, Gaz? Ow! What is it? Is there some kind of extra awareness that you're experiencing?
The cereal tastes of pure shit. Thank you very much.
Tastes fine to me.
Listen to me, dipshit. Why does all of this food taste bullshit?
How?
Help me!
The Shadow Hog!
Dipshit!
Not the dolls!
Well, I programmed these to kill you.
But you need me! You need my knowledge of the paranormal! You can't lift this spell off on your own!
No, you better live this curse, otherwise you're a dead man, dipshit. Do you understand me?
Alright! Just don't worry, I'll cure you. Just be normal.
And that, class, is why I'm so happy today. Isn't that great? Huh? Yeah. Gaz, you can't eat in class.
Don't you see? I'm starving because I haven't eaten breakfast, yet it tasted like pig shit. Why? Starvation. Oh, so the only thing that tastes is a hot dog. Hot dog? My entire life?
Gaz!
What are you hiding, dipshit?
Me? Hiding? No! Not my eyes! Think of all the foods you'll never eat again if you destroy me now! Zeta!
Listen to me, dipshit. Once I recover, you will greatly pay for what you have done and all the damage and trauma you've given to me and all the pain.
Gaz,
Be quiet! Now, if I miss one more commercial of Bloody Pizza's Hog, I swear to God, you will only be just a written piece of history. And I will fucking piss on your grave. Do you understand me, you fucking disgraceful human being? Now, get the fuck out of my sight. I'm gonna wait to leave this fucking curse. How long? Just do it already.
Should you fail, little girl, you will suffer a fate worse than your worst nightmares.
No fate's worse than the fate of my brother if this shit doesn't work.
she's right, you know.
So you agree to undertake the trial.
Get on with it.
Let the dreaded trial of the Shadow Hog begin. Are you ready, child?
Does it look like I'm not ready?
Very well. How tall am I?
Probably the size of your bomb.
I guess so. Next!
The Russian invasion of Ukraine began on February 24, 2022, when Russian Federation attacked Ukraine unanimously without any reason for a war. That's, of course, violating the international community.
Really? Cool. The trial is over! Yay for you!
Yeah, even though Zim's an alien, he's just too dumb to take over the world, let alone Vladimir Putin take over the world. And also, I just can't stand every day a dipshit screaming like,
Stop! Do you before trying it on myself. She doesn't deserve to suffer your punishment.
Actually, she...
Quiet now, fat ass.
Mr. Pig Monster, spare my sister and punish me instead! Punish me instead!
Oh, yes, please.
Sorry about imprisoning you and turning you into a media freak, honey. It was in the name of science, and... Hey, where's your brother?
Well, he's fighting off the Russian soldiers in Ukraine. Duh.
Ha ha! You're my funny child.